Hi foodies, welcome back. Let's make some delicious hot pepper shrimp Jamaican style. This is literally one of my favorite street foods from Jamaica. Let's get into it. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, is rinse these off with some cool water and some lime juice. You can use lemons if you have that. So guys, I do have another shrimp recipe on my channel and it's super delicious, but this one is quicker, and also I'm not using any form of coloring, so no annatto or food coloring at all in this one, so it's really quicker. Okay, so what we have here is just water, and then we're gonna add some ingredients to give this a lot of flavor. All right, if you're familiar with this dish, you know that it gets its bright red color from crushed red Scotch bonnet peppers. Okay, I don't have a lot of red peppers at home though, so I'm only gonna be cutting off a little piece of one of them, and then I'm gonna go in with some crushed red pepper sauce. Okay, so if you can find this, or if you have your own at home already crushed, you can add this to the water. It has to be the red crushed pepper. Now, if you do use if you crush it yourself and use a lot, then you will get a super red color. Okay, usually when I'm making pepper shrimp and I don't want it to be too spicy, then I will go in with some annatto powder or annatto oil, or maybe a little food coloring, so that I can get the color, but then the pepper is not too hot. In this recipe, it's only pepper, so it's not going to be as red because I'm not using a lot. Alright, so move these around. Make sure every shrimp is touching the liquid. Let the shrimp absorb all of that nice flavor. And then we're going to cover the pot. Remember that shrimp doesn't take long. So cover the pot for a few minutes and you are done. Okay, that's it. I'm not serving it with any liquid. I just add another dash of some of that same crushed red pepper sauce. And that's it. Okay. I do cool these down a little bit before I eat them because they're so spicy, like I can't have them when they are very hot. But this is super simple, guys. Really, really easy. I honestly just had a craving for it, and I had these simple ingredients ready to go, so I just made some. Try it and let me know if you love both of the recipes or if you have a favorite. All right, thank you for watching and see you next time, guys.